Now let's look at the next example. Now TB is a tangent. So TB touches the circle at B. So if it happens this way, what is here is the same as what is here. Okay. And we have the same chord here. This side is the same as this side. Okay. Now the question says find angle ABC. ABC. So ABC is the side. Okay. How do we find this side? Remember, we have a cyclic quadrilateral. So this side plus this side will be 180. This side plus this side will give us 180. Okay. Now, this side will alternate to this side, so 31 here. And this side is the same as this side, 69. So angle ADC, is 31 plus 69. That is angle ADB plus angle CDB. So angle ADC 31 plus 69. That will be 100. So this side is 100. Now, how do we find ABC? Angle ABC plus angle ADC equals 180. So angle ABC plus ADC has been found as 100 equals 180. Therefore, angle ABC 180 minus 100, which is 80. So this side is 80 and this side is 100. Okay. Now let's talk about CAD. CAD is this side. Okay, but we know this side, so let's find this side. Now don't forget that BD is a diameter. If BD is a diameter, it means the angle that subtends the circumference here is 90 degrees. Okay, so everything is 90 and this side is 69. What will be this side? So that thing to be 21. Okay, so this side will be 21. All right, so that's that. So we have this side as 21 degrees. All right. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So same thing. So if this one is a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. So we have this one here. So 3x plus 2x will be 180 degrees. Okay, so 5x got 180. X the same as 180 on 5. So 5 here, 5, 3, 15. So 36. So x is 36. But the question says we should find ABC. So ABC is the side. But 4x minus 45 plus angle ABC equals 180. But x is what, 36. 4 times 36 minus 45 plus angle ABC equals 180. So 36 times 4, 2, 12, 14. So we have 144 minus 45. So 144 minus 144 minus 45. So 14, 5, 9. 9 here, and this side is 3, 13, 9. So 99. So we have 99 here. Okay. Alright, so let me change the color. So we have 99 plus angle ABC equals to 180. So angle ABC 180 minus 99. Okay. So 180, 99, 10, 1, 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. So angle ABC is 81. So we have 81 here. Okay, so 81. All right. Now let's find the angles in the quadrilaterals here. So we have B, we have A, we have D, we have C. Okay. All right. So this one is not 100% accurate. So now let's see how we can find ABC. ABC. So ABC. Look. ABC. Okay. It's this side. But we can extend this line. So this side is giving an angle a straight line. So 75 plus ABC will give us 180. So I. Angle ABC plus 75 give us 180. Therefore, angle ABC 180 minus 75. Okay, so 10, 5, 0. So we have 105. So angle ABC is 105 degrees. Now let's go to BAD. BA, so this side. So same format, same formula. So II angle BAD plus 84 give us 180. This side. So angle BAD 180 minus 84. So 180, 84, 10, 6 here. So angle BAD is 96 degrees. Okay. So we have this side A as 105. And we have this side as this side as 96, 105. So this side plus this side will give us 180. This side plus this side give us 180. So this side is 105. This side will be 75. You know, this side is 96, this side will be 84. As simple as that. So ADC is 75, BCD is 84. Okay. Now the picture below are two circles, circle 1 and 2. O is the center of circle 1. All right, now if this one, okay, is a tangent, so we have this side as 90, this side as 90. So this plus this plus this plus this will give us 360. And this side is alternate segment, so this side equals that. So the question is demanding for x plus y. Okay, so from here we can say 2y is the same as 5x minus 40. Therefore, 2y minus 5x is the same as minus 40. So let's call this one equation 1. Now let's sum the angles here, okay? So 5x plus y plus 90 plus 90 plus x plus y equals to 360. So let's group like terms here. We have 6x plus 2y, 9 plus 9, 18. So we have 360 minus 180. So that will be 6x plus 2y equals to 360. So we can, sorry, this side is 180. Be the same as, so let's divide through by 2. 3x plus y equals 90. So we have this as equation 2. Now from equation 2, y is the same as 90 minus 3x. So let's call it the third equation. So 3 in 1. So 2 times y, but y is 90 minus 3x minus 5x equals minus 40. We have 180 minus 6x minus 5x equals minus 40. Okay, so 180 plus 40 is the same as, so we have 11x. So this side will be 180 plus 40, that's 220. 220 equals to 11x. Okay, so let's divide this side by 11. So 11 here, 2, so x is 20. All right, so x is 20. So if x is 20, we can go ahead and find y. So y is 90 minus 3x, but x is 20, that will be 60. So y will be 30. So the question is demanding for x and y. So x is 60, 20, y is 30. Okay, so that's that. TSU is a tangent to the circle, and we have PQRX as a cyclic quadrilateral. All right, so remember the rule that if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, this side plus this side is 180. This side plus this side at 180. Okay, so we have that QPX Q, so we have that side, but this side is a tangent. Okay, we have a tangent line here. All right, so angle RSU, this side. Okay, this side is 46. This side is 46. Okay, and if this side is 46, the question says QR is equals to RX. Okay, so it means this angle is the same as this angle. Let's call it R. Call the side R. But because this one is a tangent, everything here will be 90. So R plus 46 will give me 90 degrees. Therefore, R 90 minus 46. So that will be 90 minus 46. So we have 44. So this side is 44. And this side too is 44. So we can find this angle. And once we know this side, we can find this side. Okay. So when we add this one and subtract from 180, we get this side. So 180 minus 88. So this side will be 92. So 92 plus this side will give us 180. Okay, so let's solve for QPX. Angle QPX plus angle QRX is equal to 180 degrees. So angle QPX plus angle QRX 92, 180. Okay, so 180 minus 92, so angle QPX 180 minus 92, that will be 88 degrees. So this side is 88. Okay, so 88, as simple as that.